This is another video on the Wycliffe. Now, I called this before Wycliffe, probably one, and I call it Wycliffe Bible Dictionary, and I was wrong. It is not the Bible dictionary, it is a Bible commentary. Now, this is the complete and unabridged edition, by the way, and it is a conservative uh, group of theologians from the Moody Institute, the publishers, and many of them are Baptist, but many are not, but they're very scholarly regardless. Now, I saw a review earlier of the first edition, which was only the New Testament, and what they had on the page. Here is the actual New Testament on this side, and then on this side over here is the entire commentary. But this one does not do that because it's the entire Bible. So it doesn't have the commentary anywhere. But it doesn't. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't have the scripture anywhere, except on a verse at a time, let's say, or something like that. But it does show the verses, and it does show it in a certain way that has to do with how each book is introduced. But there are many, many good things in here that we didn't talk about yet. We may have talked about some before, but this is the Wycliffe Bible commentary, not dictionary, and it's done by 48 leading American scholars, 48 contributors. So, and there is, let's see, there is a Wycliffe Bible encyclopedia also. So that's another thing which is available. But in this one, as you can see, what happens with it is that when they do like an introduction to a book, like the book of Numbers, for example, if you take the book of Numbers and you look at it here, you can see that it introduces the book of Numbers. And what it does in the introduction, first of all, it'll the title and scope of the book. That's the first one. Then underneath that, laws, and then underneath that, it has date and authorship. And what he does in here with date and authorship is interesting because he will contribute to various points of view, because sometimes there are many different points of view about such a thing. And so he gives all of these things as well, which are very helpful. And after that, he will do an outline of the entire book. So what's interesting about it, I'll tell you next. I don't want to go over time here. So we will stop. This will be Wycliffe 2, and it will be in the Bible folder.